the US held its CBS-hosted Seoul vice presidential debate on October 1st. The policy-centered debate saw Republican J.D. Vance and Democrat Tim Walz engage in a respectful war of words to defend their personal qualifications as well as their presidential candidates and party policies. Important issues discussed include plans for economic recovery, climate change, gun regulation, reproductive rights, and others. While both candidates held their ground during the 90-minute debate, we wonder who Americans think did better. Let's have a look. While both parties had expected the debate to give a push to their campaigns, it seems that debate watchers are divided on who won. According to an average of late Tuesday polls from CNN, SSRS, YouGov, CBS News, Focal Data Politico, and JL Partners, DailyMail.com, 48% of debate watchers thought that Vance was the winner or did the best, while 46% thought that it was Walz who performed better. It is only in the Daily Mail poll where Vance has the lead with 50% as compared to 43% for Walz. Experts argue that the relative semblance in poll results is not surprising since both candidates did well and had their respective weak and strong moments. Opinions, therefore, were made largely on party lines. For example, according to CNN SSRS, 90% of Trump supporters who watched the debate thought that Vance won, while 82% of Harris supporters thought that Walz did. However, both Walz and Vance have benefited from the debate and saw a hike in their receptivity with voters. On average, between the CNN SSRS and YouGov CBS News polls, Vance's net favorability rating went from minus 18 percentage points before the debate to just minus 1 point after it. Walz's net favorability rating increased from plus 13 points to plus 31 points after the debate. Historically, too, VP debates have impacted candidates' popularity. Both leaders can therefore expect to have a relatively higher popularity rating in a few weeks' time. A word of caution on the polls. The polls only take into account those who actually watch the debate, in this case, more Democrats over Republicans. Therefore, real support may be tilted in favor of Vance. Also, since the debate was very close, their increased popularity may not have a significant impact on voter choice, for themselves as well as for their presidential candidates. Bureau Report, India Today Global.